Hey guys, welcome to the channel and welcome to a new video. So in today's video I will be changing the heater register on my 1994 Nissan Micra. So what happened is my heater, it only works at a higher setting, it doesn't work at a lower setting. Guys, check this out. I'll quickly show you what the problem is. So it's on the ignition now. You can see the heating, it doesn't work at all at the lower setting. It only works at a higher setting. There you go. Now if you guys are having this similar issue where the heater only works at the highest setting, it's worth having a look on replacing your heater resistor, because that can solve your problem with your heater. In my case, I know this could be the fix, but this is because I had this similar issue on my Citroen Zara Picasso just 6 months back, where the heater will only work at the highest setting. So I got that replaced and it solved my problem. So for this car I ordered the heater resistor from eBay, costed me around £8. I got it delivered and so today I will just get that replaced. Everything I need: a light, toolbox, and the heater register just right here. So this is the resistor. This is what I will be changing. It's held by 2 screws, one here and one just right there. Now this should solve the issue what I'm having in this car. So the heater register in this car is actually on the passenger side, underneath the glove box, and it's just right here, and it's only 2 screws that's holding it. So now I'm gonna go ahead and I'll remove it and get it replaced. This is the old resistor, it's a bit dirty. With a flathead screwdriver, I'll just try to get this removed. Done. Now this is the original parts. Now that's out. Here I have the replacement one. This should be a straight swap. Done. Installation is now complete and you can see how easy it was to get this swapped. Now let's just go on the driver's side. Let's start the car and let's see if the heater setting works now. Oh yes, there you go, solved the issue now. Before it was only working at the highest setting, now it works at the lower settings as well. So there you go, just a simple resistor, that's what it was. And yeah, that's it. Now that is how you install the heater register in this car. As I said before, I mean, the principle of this is very simple. So if you guys are having this similar issue where the heater is not working at the lower setting, it only works at the highest setting, then you know it can possibly be the heater register. So it's worth the try, just changing it and to see if it works, because they don't really cost that much. So thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that this video was helpful. Do make sure to press a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you have subscribed, and I will see you for next time. Goodbye.